Hi, I'm Stephen Boyle and this is the AP Net Solutions video tutorial of how to change the design in an option 2 package. That's a standard option 2 package. You can get option 2 of extras, but you actually lose the change design facility. So just double click on the icon once you've got the software installed, so that's the white house with the orange roof, and you'll get the property uploader screen first. That's covered in another tutorial, so don't worry too much about that currently. Now, to change the design in option 2, you go to File and then choose Designs. Then that's File, choose Design. So you click on that and you'll come to the Choose Style page. And as you can see, it's the style I currently got set. You've got your options at the top here, so you've got your style set up and close, your 2 listings, your vendors landlord's info, tenants info, vendors info, company name, company email address, and a Google API key. And that's to help with the Google Maps and Google Street View. Now, if I go to my website, so open up a web browser, I'm currently on a temporary internet link because I haven't changed my domain name servers. So I'm just going to view it through here, as you can see. It's the temporary link. And as you can see, it says example, example at the top here, example here, and example down here as well. We've got home, lettings, sales, landlord's info, tenants info, vendors info, contact details. Contact details and home are always visible. So you can't turn them off, but you can turn off lettings, sales, landlord's info, tenants info, and vendors info. This here is the area that you can edit yourself. There is a tutorial about changing the text within your website, and again, these will change at the bottom here. Notice here, when you have lettings and sales selected, you're able to select either sales or lettings. When you only have one, so lettings or just sales, this will be removed from the layout. So if I go back to the software, to minimize that for the moment. So let's go through the style. So to change your style, you just click on the up arrow or down arrow. As you can see, the styles are changing. So far it's mainly changing the colour, so I'm going to jump to style, let's try 13. Actually, let's try 15 in fact. This would be quite good for a estate agent who is located in the city. As you can see, so you can look at the whole style before you change it. And for example, let's just say that we don't do sales. I'm going to turn off the sales listing. I'm going to turn off vendors info. I'm going to put in my company name in as well, so AP Property. And then I'm going to change the email address as well, like so. And then once you've selected that and made sure everything's correct, just click on Setup. Once you've clicked that, you go back to your site. You notice it hasn't changed because you're reading a temporary internet file. If you press F5 on your keyboard, that's the top slightly to the left, F5 refreshes the page, and there we go, it's already changed. The button for search and lettings have gone here, and as you see at the top there, sales being removed and vendors info. Company name at the top's changed, company name here is changed. If we scroll down, company name here has also changed, and at the bottom it's changed as well. So let's do that again. Go back to the software. Let's go to number 14. This time I'm going to do a sales and vendors info. I'm going to put, say, a hyphen in there. Put LTD at the end. Check the style I like. You'll notice I click Setup. I go back to AP Property. We're reading a temporary internet file at the moment. Press F5. And again, the style's changed. We've got the hyphen in there, the LTD, again at the top. You've got your sales and your vendors info. The search for lettings or sales has come back. And sales and letting vendors info here as well has come back. This area you can edit yourself. There's another tutorial about talking about text changing in your website, and the same again with landlord's info. You're able to edit this text as well down to your footer. So you're allowed to edit all that. I can be edited myself, and the same with tenants info and vendors info and contact us. As you see, it's placed in my address there, but I'd have to change my phone number and fax numbers if I want that. So that's how to change the style in option 2. That's the standard package. In other tutorials we'll cover the text changing and how to do that. So it's as simple as that. Just if I minimise that, all you have to do is select your style that you're interested in, click setup, it will change it for you, and you can do that any time that you wish. So you could do it every 6 months if you wanted a fresh new website or a new change, or you can have this with extras, so you can have your logo added and the colours slightly changed for an extra charge. So that's how to change the style in option 2. Thanks for listening.